Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing my experience with the Garvee 8000 British Thermal Units portable air conditioner. I recently had the opportunity to test this portable air conditioner in a bedroom measuring roughly 250 to 300 square feet during some fairly warm indoor conditions. Since the unit is rated for spaces up to 350 square feet, I wanted to see how effectively it could cool a typical bedroom and whether it would be a practical option for apartments or smaller living spaces. Getting everything set up was relatively easy. The included window kit made installation straightforward, and the instructions were clear enough that I didn't run into any major issues. The components fit a standard sliding window without requiring any special tools or modifications. From unboxing to operation, the entire setup process was simple and beginner-friendly. Once installed, the unit felt reasonably compact for a portable air conditioner. Of course, like most portable ACs, it still takes up some floor space, but it doesn't feel oversized or difficult to place within a bedroom or home office. As for cooling performance, I was pleased with the results. The Garvee air conditioner was able to bring the room temperature down within a reasonable amount of time, and the airflow remained consistent throughout operation. Whether I was sitting near the unit or across the room, the cooling felt even and comfortable. One thing I appreciate is the flexibility offered by the different operating modes. In addition to standard cooling mode, the unit also includes fan mode and dehumidifier mode. Having these options makes the air conditioner useful throughout different seasons and weather conditions, rather than only during the hottest days of the year. The included remote control is another feature that adds convenience. Being able to adjust settings from bed or across the room is especially helpful during the evening when you don't want to get up every time you need to make a change. When it comes to noise, the unit performs about as expected for a portable air conditioner in this category. It's definitely noticeable while running, so you won't completely forget it's there. However, the sound level isn't excessive or distracting. During normal use, it blends into the background fairly well, and when sleep mode is activated, the operation becomes less intrusive and easier to live with overnight. Since my testing period has been relatively short, it's still too early to make any definitive statements regarding long-term reliability. Likewise, I haven't had the opportunity to test its performance in a full 350 square foot space during extreme summer temperatures. Based on my experience so far, there are several things that stand out as positives. The cooling performance is effective for small to medium-sized rooms. Installation is straightforward. The 3 operating modes provide useful flexibility, and the remote control makes daily operation more convenient. I also like that the unit maintains a relatively compact footprint for an 8000 British Thermal Units portable air conditioner. There are a few considerations to keep in mind as well. While compact for its category, it still occupies noticeable floor space in smaller rooms. The noise level is typical for a portable AC rather than exceptionally quiet, and long-term durability remains something that can only be evaluated over time. I think this unit makes the most sense for apartment dwellers, renters, home offices, bedrooms, and other spaces up to around 350 square feet. It's also a good option for anyone who wants both cooling and dehumidification in a single appliance. On the other hand, it may not be the ideal choice for very large open-concept living areas or for people who are specifically searching for an ultra-quiet cooling solution. From a build quality perspective, the unit feels solid and well assembled. The controls are easy to understand, the casing feels sturdy, and overall, it gives the impression of a product that was thoughtfully designed for everyday use. My final verdict is simple. The Garvee 8000 British Thermal Units portable air conditioner is a practical and versatile cooling solution that performs well in small to medium-sized rooms. With effective cooling, multiple operating modes, easy installation, and straightforward controls, it offers a balanced combination of functionality and convenience. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.